Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable signature on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Tap on Inbox, then go to top left corner and tap on that user icon. Now from there, you're gonna have to navigate your way to Settings and Privacy, where you can see categories like Accounts and Security, Customize your Inbox, and General. Now under General, while you scroll down, the first option there is Signature. Tap on it, then tap on the Disable option right beside the Signature option. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable signature on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.